Palantir Technologies is a $324 billion behemoth. They act as the central nervous system for the CIA, the UK's National Health Service, and some of the largest Fortune 500 companies in the world. Yet, if you ask the average person what Palantir actually does, you will probably get a blank stare. To understand them, we have to look at how traditional software companies operate. The standard Silicon Valley playbook is software as a service. You build a single, standardized product once, put it in the cloud, and sell identical subscriptions to millions of users. It is clean, highly scalable, and predictable. But that clean, plug-and-play model completely breaks down in the high-stakes world of national security and heavy industry. Government agencies and massive corporations do not have neat data. They have decades of messy information partitioned into isolated databases that refuse to talk to each other. You cannot plug a standardized app into a broken foundation. Palantir realized this early on, and they built their market dominance by rejecting the traditional software playbook. Look back at the intelligence failures of September 11, 2001. Investigators found the information required to prevent the attacks was already on record, but it was siloed across various agencies. A CIA analyst couldn't access an FBI terminal, which effectively hid the patterns until the towers fell. In 2003, PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel saw an opportunity to fix this. He believed the same pattern recognition algorithms PayPal used to catch credit card fraud could be adapted to track the flow of terrorist funding. With seed money from In-Q-Tel, the CIA's venture capital arm, he launched Palantir. To run the operation, Thiel brought in Alex Karp as CEO. Karp did not have an engineering background. He was a lawyer and social theorist, but he possessed a unique ability to navigate the legal and ethical dimensions of handling highly classified government intelligence. They named the company after the Palantiri, the seeing stones from J.R.R. Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings. The name reflected their core operational goal, taking massive, chaotic sets of information and making the invisible connections visible. But the founders hit an immediate roadblock. Intelligence agencies could not simply upload their top-secret files to a cloud server. To survive, Palantir had to invent a radically different way to deploy their technology. Instead of asking clients to send data to a remote headquarters, Palantir packs up its elite software engineers and parachutes them directly into the client's secure environment. They call these forward-deployed engineers. These deployment teams are split into two groups. The Deltas are the engineers who sit on site and write production-grade code. They are paired with Echoes, domain experts like former military officers or forensic accountants who understand the client's operational mission and institutional politics. Once embedded, these teams build gravel roads, fast, custom software solutions built to solve the exact problem an analyst faces in the field. Then, the core engineering team analyzes these results, abstracting the fixes into standardized, reusable platform features called the paved highway. This specific feedback loop separates Palantir from heavy-handed consulting firms. By converting bespoke fieldwork into permanent software features, they maintain the high margins and valuation of a scalable tech company. Over 20 years, that process has yielded 3 massive platforms. The first is Palantir Gotham, their flagship defense tool. Gotham maps out hidden networks to discover behavioral patterns. The Ukrainian military uses it right now to target artillery, while agencies like U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement have used it to coordinate large-scale enforcement operations. The second platform is Palantir Foundry. This is the commercial equivalent to Gotham, designed to untangle massive institutional bottlenecks and complex supply chains. For example, the United Nations World Food Program uses Foundry to sift through global shipping and warehouse data. The platform allows them to spot delivery bottlenecks and route life-saving supplies to disaster zones efficiently. In the commercial sector, Airbus deployed Foundry across its assembly operations. By integrating scattered production data into a single view, they use the platform to predict flight delays and streamline the process of building commercial aircraft. To keep everything running securely, Palantir built Apollo. This is a continuous delivery system that acts as the underlying infrastructure. Apollo ensures that Gotham and Foundry receive autonomous updates no matter where they are, whether that is on a secure government cloud server or on a disconnected laptop inside a military vehicle. Gotham, Foundry, and Apollo operate collectively as a complete, secure operating system for an organization's entire data ecosystem. After spending 2 decades organizing the world's most chaotic data, Palantir found itself holding the exact blueprint needed for the artificial intelligence boom. Large language models are useless for a corporation if they cannot access private data, but plugging an AI directly into a raw database risks exposing sensitive information. Palantir solves this with their ontology layer, a governance system safely routing authorized data to the AI. This secure foundation supports their artificial intelligence platform, or AIP. It enables companies to deploy autonomous AI agents that make active operational decisions, such as rerouting delayed shipments or flagging faulty manufacturing parts in real time. To accelerate adoption, Palantir launched AIP bootcamps. They bypass traditional software sales cycles by inviting clients to 5-day live trials. Engineers embed with the client's team and build working AI solutions using the client's actual data before the week is over. With AIP, Palantir has evolved from providing analytical tools that help humans understand data into an active engine that makes operational decisions on its own. Now they are moving beyond software and integrating directly into defense hardware. The U.S. Army recently selected Palantir to deliver the Titan system, creating the military's first AI-defined vehicle capable of processing sensor data straight from the battlefield. This chart shows the financial payoff of that deep institutional integration. By the end of 2025, Palantir's revenue reached $4.47 billion. They achieved sustained profitability and operate with zero debt. They achieved this scale by doing the seemingly unscalable, embedding in the trenches with clients to solve their hardest problems. Palantir's business model has built a foundational logic layer for modern institutions. By integrating disparate data into a single operational environment, they have provided a functional operating system for the world's most complex organizations.